I got rid of most of my stuff and I felt a lot better. Here's why. I used to think that anxiety came from big things like work, money, and life problems. And while those do matter, I never noticed how much the little things in my apartment actually changed how I felt. Like, look around you right now. Is there like a piece of mail on the table or just a bunch of clothes on the couch or in your bedroom or something? Those things take up your mental space. Even if you don't notice it, your brain does, because it's constantly thinking, oh, I'll do that later. That's gonna cost money. That might break. And this is all taking up more mental space and slowing you down. It's like background noise, but silent. And that turns into pressure. And that pressure turns into anxiety. For me, at least. So one day I just started getting rid of stuff. Nothing extreme at all. Just literally things that didn't really matter much to me and I just had because I've had them for a while. If it didn't have any sentimental value and if it didn't have any actual monetary value that was more than a significant amount, I got rid of it. And you know what happened? Almost instantly, my mind got quieter because it's not thinking of those other things. And depending on the kind of person that you are, this might even hit harder. It might not even be a surface level thing. It might cure a lot of different problems for you. Now, I'm not saying you have to live in an empty white box, because I don't do that. I still have posters up, I still have certain things on my walls. The fix is to be organized while you do it. And sometimes when you're in that anxious fog, the only way to really get out of it is doing that. But if that doesn't help, you could take supplements. Supplements that you lack, supplements that will calm your mind and get you back on track. I take Fueled Core supplements to stay balanced and calm, and they have a free quiz. You can go on their website and take it and see exactly what supplements that you're lacking. Links in the description. And if you're not actually an anxious person, but you still want to declutter your house only in one weekend, click this video right here. I'll see you there.